Hey y'all, welcome back to the Creative Grassroots Garden. My name's Jen and today is March 2nd. Today I wanted to share a few plants I have sown from seed. I have some rainbow carrots started, followed by some white corn. I also have okra growing, as well as red burgundy okra, and I also have some kale in this container. Over in the yellow container, I have Savoy cabbage growing, as well as cherry tomatoes, from some seeds that were forgotten in the container. All of the blue containers are filled with a variety of different tomatoes. I'll be doing a separate video on those. This container here is mixed with bok choy, arugula, and dwarf Siberian kale. Over in this container here, we have some sweet corn growing, and a lot more tomatoes. At the moment, I have about 20 different varieties growing. These are the collard greens that were started a few days ago, and they grew quite quick. And this here are those sweet peas I started not long ago. Over in the garden bed, we have some Boston cucumbers. These cucumbers are going to be growing up the trellis. Vertical growing helps save space. Over in this garden bed, we have a variety of different peppers that were cut back for winter, and we already have new growth coming in. Over in this garden bed, we have some more cucumbers for the trellis, as well as some daikon radish. I plan on having a variety of different cucumbers growing on every trellis for the spring. This is our beautiful peach tree that's been in dormant and it's starting to come back for spring. This tree has beautiful flowers. This is the potato bed that was started not long ago, and the potatoes are already beginning to germinate. I'll keep you all updated on the progress these make. Here I have my fruit tree stand where everything's been started from seed, and I wanted to share my pomegranates that were started not long ago. I'm excited to watch those start growing. And down here we have some jalapeno plants that were also started from seed. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. I look forward to showing y'all the progress of all my seedlings in another video. My name's Jen, and I'll see y'all next time at the Creative Grassroots Garden. Have a great day.